Okay, can you see my slides? Just give me some feedback.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's fantastic. So, yeah, that was me 10 years ago. Okay, so what was the problem? On the previous meetup, we unexpectedly we got lots of feedbacks from people all around the world that in their location, ChatGPT, that was the topic of the previous meetup, is not available. So and yeah, I'll Google that information, check that, and that's true. So in many countries, it's not available for different reasons, political and any others. In some countries, even European, like Italy, it was banned. But since I mean, ChatGPT and those kind of AI stuff, it's for me, it seems a new electricity. So we believe that every, let's say, ordinary engineer have to at least try it for now. So we try to check the existing solutions that present on the market that could potentially solve this problem. And quite often we found that lots of people or companies or someone offer something for instance, on the Telegram platform, but all of those solutions have some disadvantages that looks very suspicious for us. So first of all of those solutions are provided by unknown people, unknown companies. In some cases, they ask your credit cards or some payments in advance for the service of questionable qualities. The quality of the model that they provide an access to is also a big question. So we made some tests and found that in most cases the ChatGPT model that they provide access to is the lowest possible option. So it's it has quality of the same model as Bing search portal provides. So it's very, let's say, it's very stupid. Okay, let's say this accurate. Well, it's not very smart models. So, and again, the main question is privacy. So it's not clear what happens with your requests, at least on the side of the company, and what happens. And potentially, all of those solutions, since it's very a hot topic, could be a scam. Maybe not now, but maybe later. So we decided to create our own solution that has no such disadvantages. So we definitely created a solution that definitely do not store any kind of your data or prompts, answers, nothing. So we store only data necessary to just limit the usage of the bot. I'll tell about that a little bit later. In addition, we provide an access to real ChatGPT model, version 3.5 Turbo. That is not free. So, but it provides a reasonable quality or reasonable smartness for a reasonable price. So we pay for it by ourselves. And in addition to this product, we are trying to provide extra features that potentially could make the work with Smart GPT and the user experience of working with ChatGPT is better. Yeah, and of course we are open for your feedback, and if something went wrong, and if you want to just share your feedback, in this case you definitely know who we are, and I'll tell and present to the team later. So at the same time, our solution has some limitations that it is important to mention about. So first of all, we provide, since the access to the ChatGPT API is not free, we limit, currently we have a limit on 20 messages per day per user. So this is just to avoid improper use of our chatbot, since it is available to everybody on the Telegram. So if you interested and prefer to just have more messages per day, it's possible to increase this limit. Just contact me and we will make it. Second one, so the messages are not quite big. So 2,000 letters is a maximum. This is the current limitation of API that OpenAI company provides. Another limitation that is very important, unlike the ChatGPT available on the site of OpenAI, that has significant advantage. It keeps the context of the conversation, right? The ChatGPT available through the API doesn't keep context. So simply speaking, the chatbot doesn't remember your previous messages. So every conversation will consist on one message only. Your question and the reply. And the last limitation, so it is still, I mean, the messages that you sent are still not keeping in private. So OpenAI claims that all of your data will be used for training and improving existing models. So please do not send sensitive information to the chatbot. So for that matter, we implemented everyday notification on that. So hope you will be smart enough and keep your secrets in secret. So it looks like the regular chat. So you just type something to it. Chatbot transfer your message to the model and transfer the reply back. And you can see the example on the right. So in order to somehow override the limitation of no context, we implemented the feature that we call predefined prompt. So if you want to so you can define some pre-prompt message or instruction that will be automatically added to every message you send to the bot. So it could be it may be convenient if you do something like translation from one language to another, for instance. So no need to write this phrase every time. So you can just make it a prompt on that, and it will be posted pass it to the chat to the model automatically. And so we have also future plans, some future plans. Right now we are working about on so-called frequently asked questions feature that provides you some useful examples of prompts on various, but I would say AT topics and tasks from your day-to-day activities that helps you and makes you life easier. So here is the team. So all credits and kudos to those fantastic guys who make this product possible. And as I already said, if you feel that something went wrong or something doesn't work, you are now know whom to blame or whom to contact in order to improve or fix or make a fix. Okay, and the last slide, the link to the chatbot. So you're welcome to use it, and if you like it, you can provide your feedback in the chat as well using a menu command. That is all from my side. If you have any questions, concerns, just type. How to open a chat? Yes, type it on the chat. Okay, I see a question from Valery. This bot is for everyone in Telegram and not only for EPAM users. Is that correct? Yes, it's absolutely correct. Can I share this bot to someone outside the EPAM? Yes, you can. Yes. So nothing wrong with that. In addition, I suppose no, nothing to add on that. Question from Maya. Is there any feedback on usage from the territories where a chat doesn't exist or ban it? No. We still, I mean, this is the first official announcement. So before that, the chat was in development, and we released the version that we ready to announce only last week. But I suppose it is. I mean, the chatbot will be available everywhere where Telegram is available, and it is definitely available almost everywhere, right? And also, I would just add, want to add that for me, using a chatbot is very convenient because of two reasons. So first, you don't need to use any kind of VPN that is make it possible to, I mean, to the country, VPN to the country where bot is accessible. And the second, it provides, so you can use chatbot on your phone, just from your pocket everywhere. That is also convenient. Question from Arseny. It sounds like this bot is mainly so everyone from every country could use it, and be sure that is not a scam. If I do have an access to the original OpenAI GPT, do I have any advantages of using this bot? So the advantage, as I mentioned, that is in two things. First of all, it is available almost everywhere, so without any limitations, country limitations from OpenAI. And the second, it's quite convenient using it from your phone. So there is, as far as I know, OpenAI doesn't provide mobile application or something like that that makes it possible and easy to use from your phone. And my user experience of using ChatGPT is based on the OpenAI web app that is on the desktop. So it's not, I mean, inconvenient when you are working in the office, but not convenient when you are outside the office and have only your phone. But again, OpenAI web application has many advantages in compared to bot. So the main advantage is that it keeps context, so you can make a dialogue with the ChatGPT that is impossible in case of chatbot. Does it work with Asian languages in the right way? Well, actually, it should work, but unfortunately, I don't have a chance. Didn't have a chance to check it. But you can try and let us know if it is. Question from Nikita. Am I right that update the hood there is a paid API, but you made it free for us so far? What is the profit here under the hood? No profit. So we believe that our people, I mean, people that belongs to our community or to EPAM or maybe to IT, have to be able to at least try ChatGPT, since we believe that it has a great future. So of course it's not free, but it costs us, you know, less than $100 per month. It's quite reasonable time, and all of us ready to donate that money. I would say so. If you wish to join to us and make some donation, you are open to contact with me, and we can discuss that. So, but this is quite, I mean, not very huge money, so affordable, quite manageable. Question from Valery. ChatGPT is convenient by different types of output. Tabular form, mind map, code form. Is Telegram chatbot support something like that? Not yet. Not yet, I would say. So it supports only text. In the future, so if we found some source of funding on that, we can try to switch to more smarter model, like model 4, for instance. But right now it costs per token more expensive, approximately in 15 times expensive than version 3.5. So not yet, only text. Yeah, and Valery just try it. Okay, but so this is not a question. Okay, guys, we are run out of time. So thank you for your attention